The loss of eyesight in cats is gradual enough for you to notice. The issue becomes apparent only when a significant loss has been done or the cat has gone completely blind. This is because of the fact that cats can compensate for their vision loss by their other senses, specifically their sense of smell. Therefore, a pet parent must be aware of the symptoms that may indicate vision loss in a cat. Your cat may be suffering from vision loss or blindness if she bumps into furniture and objects of the house, especially if the furniture has been rearranged or if those objects are generally not kept there. If she misjudges familiar distances, trips on the staircase, or even slips while trying to jump up to her favorite place. These symptoms of clumsiness can indicate vision loss in your cat. It is because of these reasons that a visually impaired cat may even be reluctant to jump from heights. A visually impaired cat is unable to locate her litter box. This in turn leads to your cat getting involved in frequent housewhiling accidents. A blind cat even faces trouble in locating her toys, food ball, and is also unable to recognize you, even from a small distance. If your kitty is losing her vision, you may notice that she sleeps more than the usual. She even gets apprehensive while playing. This happens as she is unable to see and therefore becomes reluctant to move around. You may even notice that she gets startled and frightened easily when you or someone picks her up. As she is unable to see you, your sudden touch startles and frightens her. Further, a cat with vision issues walks in a crouched position with her body closer to the ground. She does it to feel the way with the help of her nose and long whiskers. If you observe frequent squinting in your cat, it could be because she is struggling to see clearly and is trying very hard to see. Additionally, a cat suffering from poor vision appears to be disoriented and confused. You may even notice a behavior change in your kitty, and she may become anxious, fearful, and nervous. When cats don't see well or are suffering from blindness, an excessive vocalization can be observed because of the distress caused by this condition. These vocalizations might be a signal for help and shouldn't be ignored. As a pet parent, it is very important for you to take care of her and get her proper treatment even if you observe some of these symptoms in your fur baby. There are certain ways to test vision of your cat at home. For testing the vision of your cat, move your hand near your cat's eye. A cat with normal vision will blink her eyes as a response to the threatening situation created for her eyes. But if she doesn't show any response, it clearly indicates that she can't see your hand and is suffering from vision impairment. The second test that you can perform is to point a small focused bright light into her eyes. A normal feline will blink, turn and squint her eyes or head away in such a scenario. Failure to do so indicates possible blindness in her. Drop a small cotton ball or a feather from the shoulder height in front of your cat. A normal cat will watch it falling in the air and will even inspect it once it reaches the ground, while a blind cat will remain indifferent and will show no interest. A cotton ball or a feather is chosen as it doesn't make any noise when it passes through the air and can't be detected by a blind cat using her hearing senses. Place your cat at a height of around 18 inches and observe her as she tries to get down from the elevated surface. The height is chosen so as to avoid any fall or injury to the cat. A visually impaired cat will use her feet to feel the height before jumping, while a cat with normal vision will just jump from that height swiftly. Observing the pupil of your cat can be another way to inspect blindness in your cat. In a healthy cat, exposure to bright light leads to shrinking of the pupil, while a blind cat will not show any such response.